Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Google Maps and signing in so your places and timeline sync. Once done, grant location and background app refresh so real-time routing works. Make sure the app is updated. Updates fix navigation bugs and add features. If you want Maps to replace Apple Maps for quick lookups, prepare to change Share and Siri settings next. This gets you immediately ready to navigate, save places, and test routes without interruption, so proceed to the app settings now. Next, configure routing and privacy so Google Maps behaves how you want. You'll choose travel modes and tweak voice navigation volume and guidance types. This ensures turn alerts match your driving style. Then enable linking to calendar and contacts so addresses autofill automatically when you start navigation. Once these are set, test a multi-stop route to verify lane guidance and estimated arrival times. If you use public transit, enable transit preferences and saved routes so you can switch modes smoothly when needed. Finally, replace Apple Maps workflows by adding Google Maps to your share sheet and creating shortcuts to open addresses directly in Google Maps. You'll test by tapping an address in Mail or Contacts and selecting Google Maps. Once it opens reliably, update any default links in apps you control. If something goes wrong, reset location services, check permissions, and reinstall the app. That often clears stale cache or permission conflicts. If problems persist, restart the device and retest. Most issues resolve with a permissions reset.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.